HPE2-B07 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. In the HPE GreenLake sales process, how does the FAST process support HPE partners during the contract phase? A. It automates customer billing. B. It accelerates the completion of the statement of work, and contract. C. It provides additional discounts on HPE hardware. D. It builds financial models for the customer proposal. The answer is B. The fast, flexibility, agility, speed, transparency process is designed to help HPE partners and customers move quickly through the contract phase. By streamlining approvals and documentation, like SOWs and contracts, it reduces delays and enables faster customer onboarding into GreenLake Solutions. When building a business case for an HPE GreenLake solution, what key point should be emphasized to the customer? A. Long-term cost savings enabled by flexible pay-per-use pricing models. B. Short-term discounts on hardware purchases. C. The required upfront capital investment. D. The time required to deploy physical infrastructure. The answer is A. HPE GreenLake's value proposition is its consumption-based, pay-per-use pricing model. This approach helps customers avoid heavy upfront capital expenses, align costs with actual usage, and realize long-term operational savings. Emphasizing these benefits is critical when making the business case to decision-makers. In an HPE GreenLake solution, which document defines the detailed roles, deliverables, and responsibilities of all involved parties? A. Purchase order, PO. B. Financial agreement. C. Service level agreement, SLA. D. Statement of work, SO. The answer is D. The statement of work, SO, is the key document that outlines who does what, project deliverables, and the responsibilities of both HPE and the customer. While the SLA covers service performance metrics, like uptime or response times, the SOW is the operational guide for implementation and delivery of GreenLake solutions. Within the context of HPE GreenLake, what is the primary purpose of the FAST process? A. Manage the technical installation of the solution. B. Automate customer billing and invoicing. C. Accelerate the finalization of the contract and statement of work, SO. D. Provide hardware maintenance and support. The answer is C. The FAST process, flexibility, agility, speed, transparency, is designed to streamline and speed up the contracting phase of HPE GreenLake deals. By simplifying documentation and approvals, it ensures customers and partners can move from proposal to deployment quickly. In the HPE GreenLake proposal process, which two roles are typically performed by the HPE partner? Select 2. A. Defining financial contracts with HPE Financial Services. B. Setting realistic customer expectations for delivery and performance. C. Providing post-sales technical support. D. Presenting the financial and operational benefits of the solution. The answer is BD. In the proposal stage, The HPE partner's responsibilities focus on customer alignment, ensuring the customer understands what GreenLake can deliver, realistic expectations, and highlighting business benefits, financial flexibility and operational value. Tasks like financial contracts, are handled by HPE Financial Services, and post-sales technical support, comes later, during the delivery, management phase. When creating an HPE GreenLake proposal, what is the primary focus of the statement of work? A. Confirming hardware delivery timelines. B. Listing required hardware components. C. Outlining financial agreements. D. Defining the scope of services and responsibilities for both the partner and the customer. The answer is D. The SOW, statement of work, defines the scope of services, deliverables, and responsibilities for all parties in an HPE GreenLake solution. It acts as the operational blueprint for execution. While hardware lists, or financial agreements, may be captured in other documents, the SOW ensures alignment on who does what and how the solution will be delivered. Which tool is most valuable for HPE partners when building a strong business case for an HPE GreenLake solution? A. HPE GreenLake Business Case Calculator. B. HPE Cloud Migration Tool. C. HPE Financial Services Portal. D. HPE Installation Wizard. The answer is A. The HPE GreenLake Business Case Calculator is specifically designed to help partners and customers quantify the financial and operational benefits of a consumption-based model. It provides detailed comparisons of pay-per-use versus traditional CapEx models, making it the best tool for building a convincing business case. Other tools, like migration or installation tools, focus on technical deployment, not business justification. During the HPE GreenLake proposal process, what is one effective way the HPE partner can help set customer expectations? A. Outlining clear SLAs and solution deliverables. B. Offering fixed pricing for all hardware. C. Handling customer billing inquiries. D. Finalizing the financial contract early. The answer is A. Setting realistic expectations is a key partner role in the proposal process. By clearly defining service-level agreements, SLAs, and deliverables, the partner ensures that the customer understands what HPE GreenLake will provide, reducing the risk of misunderstandings later. Tasks like billing, and financial contracts, are handled by HPE, while fixed pricing, does not reflect GreenLake's flexible consumption model. In an HPE GreenLake solution, which parties are typically responsible for signing the final statement of work? A. HPE Financial Services and the customer. B. The HPE Solution Architect and the customer. C. The customer and the HPE partner. D. The customer and HPE technical support. The answer is C. The statement of work, defines responsibilities, deliverables, and services. It is a formal agreement between the customer and the HPE partner, who is accountable for delivering the solution. While HPE Financial Services may handle contracts and financing, and architects, technical support may contribute, the SOW is signed by the customer and the delivering partner. When presenting the business case for an HPE GreenLake solution, which element should the HPE partner emphasize to the customer? A. Upfront hardware costs. B. The complexity of data migration. C. The initial capital expenditure required for implementation. D. The long-term benefits of a pay-per-use model and reduced total cost of ownership. The answer is D. HPE GreenLake's key value is its consumption-based pricing, which allows customers to pay based on usage rather than large upfront capital expenditures. Emphasizing long-term operational benefits and reduced total cost of ownership, TCO, is crucial when building a compelling business case. Upfront costs, A and C, or migration complexity, B, are secondary considerations and should not be the main focus.